Hey Javier, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got done dynoing it. Everything went great. Give you a description. It's a combination. It's got our cylinder heads on it. It's a hydraulic roller. We have that custom grind by comp. Custom J&E pistons, 4340 crank, H-beam rods. It's got the Edelbrock air gap. MSD Pro Billet distributor. Quick fuel SS 750. It's got the beautiful Billet Specialties front end on it. Really nice. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alright, now 3,000 is 501. Looks like it peaks torque 524. Peaks horsepower 494. So we rated 500. Front end's usually about 10 or 15, so that's good. So get her off there, get her crank, come your way. Have a great day.